Hi guys, just going to try and replicate something I saw on Thingiverse. A little balancing fisherman. Balances on there, that's his fish, goes down under the table somewhere, and then you've got a bit of wire linking the pair of them together so they counterbalance each other, or at least the fish counterbalances the fisherman. I'm going to try a bit of this garden wire to make the fishing line. Doesn't need to be particularly long. I haven't thought this through particularly well. I'm just going to try it and see if it works. So I'm going to melt a little hole in the front there just to push that in. I can't see, arms in the way, sorry. I'm going to melt a hole in the front there, push that in to hold the front of it. This end I didn't really think through very well. I think what I'll do is melt a little hole there and possibly just put a bit of glue on the top there, or maybe just melt a slight hole in and then bend it round. So I'll go and heat this up and do some melting, and then we'll be back. I must say, that's working rather well. Very simple. Oh, sorry about the shadows. That's our washing out on the line outside, being blown in the wind, which is good. Excellent. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.